Hello, Charter School of San Diego students, parents, and guardians. This is Mr. Goyette at the Lake Murray classroom. I wanted to go over with you some updates on the Resource Center. As you know, we've had the stucco going on. We're also going to have our skylight repaired coming up here. So the classroom will be closed for repairs between the days of November 13th to December 4th. So one of those weeks being the Thanksgiving break, because we're out for a week for that. So we're looking at 3 weeks or 4 weeks of closure there. Hopefully it'll be on the shorter end. In that time, for student appointments, we will have virtual Zoom or Teams meetings by appointment. These can be made by simply emailing me or texting me. I might reach out and contact a parent or student to arrange for a virtual meeting if the student clearly needs help in math, science, history, or English. We'll have our usual Tuesdays language arts seminars and humanities Zoom at 1 o'clock, where we'll focus mostly on our Achieve 3000 activities. And then on Wednesdays, there'll be a 25-minute or so Zoom in the mornings at 10 a.m. Try to do that every Wednesday. You'll see I'll also offer those other days, but Wednesdays will be pretty regular. For in-person, students can meet me or the other teachers at the San Carlos Librarry meeting room, or the Bre Spot or Brew Coffee Spot right there off of near Dallas and Lake Murray. To stay, it's important that we stay in contact during this time. I know some of you come into the classroom 2 or 3 days a week, and it's good to have that regular interaction. So we'll try to move that into the virtual realm. So please reach out to me via Google Voice at this number, 619-797-6086. You can also contact Miss Rojas, Miss Angelica, and she will get back to you if you have questions. If I'm in a meeting or in another conference with a student or parent, you can reach out to her number there via Google Voice. And finally, independent study reminders. Students should be working 5 days a week, about 4 to 6 hours each school day. Sometimes you can get your work done in just 2 hours or so, but you need to get up to that 10 plus activities, 12 activities a day for high school students, at least 8 to 10 for middle school or junior high students. Our goal is to complete 1 credit every 20 days, every month, every learning period. Please remember to take breaks, energize yourself, get out there and exercise, do something that makes you feel alive and active. If you're sitting in front of a screen for too long, whatever subject you're taking usually is not very enjoyable. So definitely take breaks and do some things for fun and get a little exercise, whatever that is for you. And you can request a PE class if you're doing regular activity, and we can get those PE credits completed. We need 4 to graduate. All right, so that's our note again, and the dates for that closure will be closed for repairs November 13th through December 4th, estimated time to fix the skylight at our Lake Murray Resource Center. Thank you. If you have any questions, again, you can reach me at 619-797-6086, text or call. Thank you. Bye.